Hey guys, how you going? Today it's like Monday, so we're back to weekdays again. But yeah, yesterday I didn't do any vlog, I didn't do any recording because just didn't feel like it. But yeah, there was good news yesterday though. Uh, we're out of lockdown. No, not today, but this Friday. So by Friday we'll be hitting around 80% double vaxxed. So this Friday there's no more curfew. There's no more lockdown. We're out. Although the shops are still not yet open. Like they're still, yeah. I don't know. I think the hairdressers are out. Like I can get a haircut by then. But other than that, yeah, it's a bit of good news, and yeah, it feels good to be all out again. My problem is I still have a lot of things to do with my uni and a lot of stresses, but I'll do my best to get that thing done as soon as possible. Other than that, yeah, it's so nice that we're open. Weddings are coming in, bookings are getting double booked, and that's what's stressing us out now. The bookings are getting double booked, but other than that, we're all out. I hope that we get to control this virus still, because the numbers are still high, and yeah, the probability of you being infected is quite a lot. But the only thing we're relying on is that once we're vaccinated, we don't get the bad effects of the virus. But yeah, later on, there's a big possibility that any one of us could get infected. But let's just hope that it's not going to be bad for us. Pretty scared, but yeah, I'm tired of the lockdown itself. So risk. Anyway, yeah, that's the only thing I can say about yesterday and today. I need to do some of my works here now and some of my assignments. But other than that, it's a nice thing that we're opening up. Hope you guys are fine out there. And yeah, basically that's just what I have in my mind. And other than that, nothing else. Just me filming. I'm able to do a video of my what you call I can't think. I'm able to do a video that I wanted to do. Like I can have somebody film me while I'm doing that video. But other than that, yeah, everything's pretty good now. So see you soon, guys. Bye.